Welcome back to Skyway Classics YouTube channel. Here's Shane and Nyla.
Hello.
Here to show you this beautiful baby blue. I'm not sure what color it was. I'm going to call it baby blue.
It's so pretty.
Firebird Formula. It's a 1991. Has the 5.0 liter V8 fuel injected engine in it with an automatic transmission. Of course, this car has power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning. And it looks to be original. I'm not sure if it's had a repaint in its life or not. As a matter of fact, let me open that back up. It may have had a repaint, it may not have. To be honest, it's hard to tell. The paint's gorgeous. It has the original wheels and tires. All the glass work on it's real clean and nice. The interior is absolutely stunning. And you would think the car had no miles on it. It's so nice. Runs and drives like a new car.
Super clean. Stock, except for the stereo, of course. But even the glass, no cracks in the dash, no burn holes in the seats.
Yeah, it's very clean.
Super clean. And the underneath is just as clean. So, as always, we're going to get the engine started up, take her for a spin, and then we will take a look at the underneath. Stay tuned.
Test driving our 1991 Firebird Formula. This car looks like a brand new car with 157,000 miles on the odometer.
Yep.
All your gauges are working properly. Air blows cold. The stereo sounds good.
Yep.
The paint on it's gorgeous. I mean, this is a really, really nice car.
Exceptional.
Let's see how she runs. Yeah, shifts real smooth.
Smooth operator.
Handles real nice. Steering feels good, tight.
Yeah, I drove this car a little bit ago and it's really, really, really nice. Never really liked Firebirds, but this one's definitely won me over.
So this 5.0's got going on here. Yeah, she runs really smooth.
How are the brakes and all?
We're going to find out. We're going to slam them in a second. Oh yeah, they feel good.
Good. Nice solid brakes.
Yeah, that's the brakes.
Solid car. 91 Firebird. Come and check it out. We're going to get it back to the shop and I'll take a look underneath.